My name is Alexander Seyf. I'm CEO and co-founder of Autolomous. It's really great to be back to Mesa 2025. Always is, for me, is the best venue to meet all the colleagues and see the progress of this lovely, amazing industry. The messages are obviously mixed. The positive one, everybody looking forward, everybody is enthusiastic as before that the industry going to the right direction. Obviously, we have had some bumps with investment and everything, but nothing that I don't believe that we can overcome. The piece for me is very interesting. The ethos of partnership is increasing and people understanding that 1+1 is not always 2. Sometimes it goes to 3, maybe more. So working together can break a lot of silos and can bring a lot of mutual interest and mutual success, which ultimately can benefit the patients worldwide. So I'm really welcoming that spirit this year in Mesa. And also I want to have the opportunity to mention the amazing collaboration with Catapult UK. They are world renowned, so I don't need to go in detail who Catapult is, but they are just amazing partner in the industry for everyone globally. And we, after 2 years of collaboration and a joint project, we just introduced early this morning a white paper that can be of great interest to the industry to see how digitization can bring equity of access, can bring more certainty in manufacturing and save a lot of resources, but a lot of lives in much more efficient way. So we are really proud of it, and I really endorse people to read about it. And we're gonna also release it in the LinkedIn, so just don't be shy, download it please, give us our feedback.